This segment of the Angus Report is brought to you by Select Sires, quality Angus genetics from the home of calving ease, carcass, and cows. To contact your area Select Sires salesman or to order semen online, go to selectsiresbeef.com.
Commercial cattlemen looking for increased predictability in their Angus-sired calves now have another option in their toolbox. GeneMax, an Angus-specific DNA test, evaluates marbling and post-weaning gain on Angus cattle sired by registered Angus bulls. The new tool is available through a partnership between Certified Angus Beef, Angus Genetics Incorporated, and Pfizer Animal Genetics.
GeneMax is a DNA test. It's designed for high percentage Angus cattle. So for those commercial cattlemen using registered Angus bulls, a test that's now available that will give them an assessment of that animal's marbling potential and also their gain potential. That then will combine those two traits and economically weight them into their GeneMax score. And so it's a really exciting tool now for commercial cattlemen to have. It also becomes a marketing tool where they can document now the genetics that are in those animals if they're selling maybe a set of replacement heifers or if they are going to market a set of feeder cattle onto the next level to the feedlot where they can document the genetics now in that animal. Yeah, so for a commercial cattleman that is wanting to get some feedback on their calves, this being a way that they've not maybe had that retained ownership information, gotten the feedback from the feedlot or from the packing plant on how well those animals did when put on a grade and yield basis and sold that way. It just gives them some information to give them an idea of where they're at, kind of genetic benchmarking almost, of knowing where they're at today.
You know, what we're really excited about, when you look at the economics of our industry today, there's no margin to be wasting dollars. And that's both on the replacement female side. It's expensive to develop a female and ultimately get enough calves out of her before she starts generating a net return to the operation. And here's a tool that we believe can shorten that time frame by giving those commercial cow-calf producers an idea right on the very front side which heifers are worthy of being retained and developed into their cow herd, and which ones really need to go into the feed yard and into the fed beef supply. You know, on the other side, we have a tool that can allow feeders and backgrounders to begin to sort groups of cattle into populations that can be more accurately, more efficiently, and more economically focused for a specific endpoint.
Individual GeneMax tests cost $17. Visit cabpartners.com to learn more about GeneMax and how to effectively use results in your herd.